My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Nissan Leaf. This vehicle has done just under 14,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights. To the right, we have cruise control, voice control, and automatic wipers. On our screen, using the buttons at the bottom, we can get quick access to our key features, which include audio, Bluetooth, information, map, navigation, and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.